Hey guys, welcome back to Dragon Ball NZ. So The Last of Us Part 2 is finally out on PS4. I've got the collector's edition here. Now I haven't actually played the first game since it was originally released, the remastered version on PS4, which was quite a few years ago. So I've got a lot to catch up on, but I will probably go straight into playing this game here, and then maybe I'll do another playthrough of the first game again. Okay, so I haven't actually had a proper look at what this collector's edition comes with, but here's the box anyway. So it's got a full game and steelbook case. So there's the steelbook case there. 12-inch Ellie statue. 48-page mini art book from Dark Horse. Ellie's bracelet. Lithograph, art print, and thank you letter, which is quite neat. So that's that there. And a set of 5 stickers, which must be these, and a set of 6 enamel pins. So that's these right here. And of course, I got this game from EB Games, so they gave me a little DLC code as well. Now I'll show you the actual box. So I've actually taken it out. That was just the outer slip case there. So it's got Last of Us Part 2, Last of Us. So it's all very awesome. So okay, so give you a look at the box again. Okay, so I'll start with this first item, or items. Okay, so we've got the art of Last of Us. I mean, that's one thing I really like about the game is the graphics. Really awesome game. So is that a new character, or is that was her friend, I think. I can't remember, it's been so long since I've played it. Yeah, I'm sure. So yeah, it's quite neat. Okay, then inside here we've got, how do I open this? I swear I'm going to break it. Don't make things, oh there, yeah, it does slip out. Yep, okay, so that's the little the lithograph art print and thank you letter from Neil Druckmann, director of The Last of Us Part 2. So that's quite neat. Okay, and on to the next item. So we've got this awesome steelbook case, which I'll open up. As usual, I'm not prepared. I haven't done a video in so long, so my apologies. And I'm actually recording off a new camera which I got recently, so this is the first time I've done a proper recording on it. Okay. So it's on 2 discs. Oh no, this is data disk, sorry. Data disk and play disk. Yeah, a lot of games are doing that now. I'll take this out, pop it aside. I really don't like these double disc cases. Yeah, there's not. I thought there might be some artwork, but you can't really see much on the inside. That's that anyway. Okay, and then wow, that's cool. So I'll show you these pins. These pins are really cool. It's got the naughty dog there. It's quite neat. And we've got Ellie's bracelet. Looks like a real bracelet, I think, that you can wear. I'll open it up. Yeah. But that's quite cool. I've got a little chain so you can put it on. Okay, and then we've got a range of stickers here. So we got that. Naughty Dog. And 2 different Last of Us Part 2. So that's cool. Okay. Okay, just trying to figure out how to open this box. There we go. So this will be where the statue is. Oh my god, that is so cool. It is a lot bigger than I imagined it would be. So that's it there. So it's amazing. I'll give you really cool detail. Now I'll take it out. I'll try to take it out carefully. As you can see, it says The Last of Us Part 2, so that's really neat. And I think, yeah, that was everything, wasn't it? Yeah, so I'll just pop all that stuff together. yeah, so that's all. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.